Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
If your aircraft looks like this, you probably need a few repairs. And it's probably not covered on warranty. And fortunately, on some servers, we can repair, refuel, and rearm our aircraft. And this can all be done at your friendly yellow smoke airfield. But bear in mind that not all IL-2 servers provide this function. Here we're flying on Combat Box's Apollo 19 campaign, and sometimes it makes more sense to fly to a closer airfield, rearm, and then go back and hit that target again. So here's our fuel gauge in the IL-2, and here are the two external 250 kilogram bombs. Two white lights indicate the bombs are still on board. No lights means it needs to be rearmed. The yellow smoke will also make it easier to navigate back to the airfield, particularly if you're on the deck. Okay, so let's take a look at how to rearm, refuel, and repair at the yellow smoke. The first thing to notice is the obstacles around it. After we've landed and taxied over to it, we need to make sure there's enough room for us to turn around so we're not facing a hangar or a pile of trees. When taxiing towards something, I always like to keep it on one side of the aircraft or the other, not directly in front of the nose. You'll notice now on the TechnoChat on the right hand side there's the green eye. So that means we're close enough to start the rearming process. And that process begins when once you've stopped in shutting off the engine. And be sure to position yourself so you can get out of here in a hurry in case the airfield gets attacked. As you shut down the engine, you'll notice the TechnoChat again. Sometimes the repairing and the rearming seems to happen without any input from us. But the standard commands are right Alt A for rearming and right Alt R for repair. And just follow the TechnoChat on the right side to see your progress. But when it comes to refueling, you really have to pay attention. See when we press right Alt F that it fills up pretty quickly. So I like to press the button, count to 3, press it again, and that shuts it off. And repeat that until we get the fuel load that we want. Remember that fuel is very heavy, and if you put too much into, say, a P-51 or one of the heavier bombers, you'll have instability issues in taking off and performance. And that's it. She's rearmed, refueled, and repaired, so she's ready to go. What's that sound? That's an air raid siren. It's a good job I parked facing in the direction that I can take off in a hurry. Yes, I know the active runway is in the opposite direction, but what the hell, I'm a colonel. Well guys, that's how you rearm, refuel, and repair. So hope you had fun. Leave a comment, all the usual stuff. Talk to you next time.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.